Welcome to the Property Alpha platform, your new tool to ditch the spreadsheets and find quality real estate deals faster. Today we are going to quickly go over the key features of this platform, starting with the search page, which is the core functionality. You can see here that I've already loaded in Oakland, California, but you can search by zip code, county, even entire states. The advanced search functionality is about what you would expect, but there's a key value add here, which is now you can sort and filter by your investment metrics, so cash on cash return, cap rate, and the like. And note that all of these investment metrics are customized to your personal inputs. So if you have specific loan to value that you use, maybe you have a lower interest rate that you can find, maybe you have some renovation costs or an expectation of how the property is going to appreciate over time, you can save all that to your profile. And when you do that, it'll update all of the projections in this search page such that all of these financial metrics are customized based off of your personal investment thesis. So you can see here that I've loaded in Oakland, and we're going to sort really fast by ROI to see what the highest property in terms of ROI is. I could also sort by monthly profit if I care more about that. And you can sort of see that I can evaluate each one of these properties individually or relative to all the other properties in the area. Now I'm going to save this particular property, and that'll send it to my dashboard. My dashboard is where all my properties that I've saved have lived, and I can switch in back and forth in between different strategies, whether rent by room, long-term rental, and coming soon we'll have short-term rental, fix and flips, and even medium-term rentals on this platform. Now I can sort these different properties by cap rates and other different aspects of the property, or I can save entire searches, whether that's city, zip code, or here I've saved an entire state analysis. And we'll jump back to the search page just to show you how powerful and how quickly this tool can search for an entire state. So if I look for the state of Washington here, it's going to almost immediately analyze all 16,000 single-family homes in the state of Washington and have it rank ordered once again by monthly profit for me. Super powerful sort tool. So now coming back to the dashboard and sorting by cap rate again, let's say I want to play around with the valuation assumptions that I have here for this particular property. If I want to do that, I'll load it here into my calculator where I have the ability to update and adjust all of the input parameters for this particular property. So maybe I think that rental income's too high, maybe my property taxes will be a little bit higher, but maybe my interest rate's going to be a lot lower. And I can see how that adjusts my financial metrics all in real time. And I can do everything from renovations to property appreciations. Then what I can do is I can save this analysis, which will put it back into my dashboard. Coming back into the dashboard, we want to grab one of these properties and we want to add it to our portfolio. And I'm going to show you the portfolio page now. This is a high-level summary of all properties that I've added to my particular portfolio. And you can use this tool even if you don't own the property, but maybe they're in some stage of your process as you're trying to acquire this property. So here we have all of the properties listed out, and you can see that I have them in different stages. And these are generally aligned with the stage of purchasing a property, going from contacting agents to sending out offers, all the way through to whether that offer got accepted or declined, and then you can even include sold properties. The other thing that we want to focus on with this time is a high-level market analysis. In here we can jump in and we can analyze cap rates or other financial metrics for various strategies at a high level amongst other states or other regions. You can see we can go as granular as county here, which populates almost instantly and again has personalized evaluations for all of the counties in the US based off of my input assumptions and according to whatever financial metrics I view as most noteworthy. You can zoom in here, zoom out, highlight different counties. It's a very powerful way to look at different regions of the country for you to target. Given this breadth of features and the ease of use of this platform, I cannot imagine going back to entering each deal one at a time into a fragile Excel model. Ditch your spreadsheets and head to propertyalpha.ai to check out the full product and jumpstart your journey to your next great investment.